everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Today I am coming along with a Craspire unboxing, and I've already taken this out and it was really well packaged, so there you guys can see it is so well packaged. So let's go ahead and open and see what I got. So I do remember they have they actually, oh yay, there is a packing list, and I do know, and it gives you what you got, like it gives you a bag of the items that you received, one piece of piece and piece and a piece. And anyways, this is basically a wax sealants or stamps, and what I know they also have some craft stuff, some paper, so I got this paper from them and I was so excited. It is stationery paper, and I will link everything plus the link to Craspire down in the description below, so you guys could go over and check it out. And oh my goodness, you guys, I did not expect for this to be individually wrapped. These are all individually wrapped, you guys. Look at OMG. So it has 2 envelopes, and let me see, I might have 2 sheets, or it could have more. I will let you know in a moment as soon as I get it open. So let me see. So look at the designs on these, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm so amazed, because I figured it was all gonna come in a big bundle and I was just gonna have to piece it together. So it comes with the 2 envelopes. Each one comes with 2 envelopes, and there's 1, 2, and look at how cute. And oh wow, I like it. There's 1, 2, and there's, I believe, 4 sheets. I want to say it's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of paper for stationery. So let me move this a little bit so you guys could see. And look at you guys. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So I am going to have so much using these wax stamps on here. So let me go ahead and show you the designs right here. Aren't these cute? Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. I am so amazed that these are all individually wrapped. I'm like, oh wow, I was not expecting that. Like I said, I was expecting a big bundle, and I was gonna put everything together myself. And do excuse the glare, you guys. That is so pretty. OMG. So this should be my candle, my wax. Is it like the candle thing? I've never done wax sealants or anything like that, so I am a little scared of using this, but I'm so excited because it's going to be my first time, so it is going to be a big difference and new experience. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. And as you guys can see, everything is well sealed, so hopefully nothing is damaged. Oh my goodness. Okay. There you go. So this one this one's a little different. Because it does have, let me see. Okay, so it has a little, what is it, like a scoop, so you could put your wax in here. And it's cute and small. I like that. It's cute and small. I don't know. I thought it was going to be a big thing, and I'm actually more excited that it's small. And it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. So, oh, I'm so happy with that. And it's a little wooden one. And the reason I got this one, because I am such a klutz. And I did see that they had a metal one. And knowing me, I would have probably tilted it and dropped all the wax and probably burned my house down. the way I am. Oh, and this is a cute candle. It is a heart one. Oh my goodness, how cute. So you put that in here and you turn that on. And these are markers, so when you do your wax and it's all cooled down, you color the image. So that's what this looks like. And this, okay. So like I said, I've never done this, so I am assuming I would have to cut a little piece of the wax, and these are what they look like. Or do I just put them in here? Anyways, I will figure it out and come back to you guys and let you guys know. And this is what they look like. Oh, these are cute. Anyways, so there you go. And then I got the stamps here. And let me see. And I got a heart one. There you go. So again, this is from Craspire. So I will link Craspire down on the description below, as well as the items that I got from them, so you guys could go over and check them out. And OMG. And this one says, I believe, thank you. Yes, thank you. So I can't wait to work with these. I will come back on another video and do a project share, and I will probably do like my initial use of the wax, using the wax and figuring how to do this. I might have to cut it. Like I said, I am figuring it out, so we will figure it out together. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.